All right, here we go for David. This is going to be 2013-14 Upper Deck SP Authentic Basketball. Also gets the Fleer Retro Autograph Pack as a bonus for breaking this product live with us here today on Breakers TV. If you'd like to get the box broken live as well, SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the Live Breaks On Demand banner, get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want, click the Break This Live for Me button. We'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. We are here every Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, breaking your boxes live. Focus on the hits here in the product. Tony Snell Canvas Collection is the first one up. Alonzo Mourning Rookie Effects. And we got the cool Dominique Wilkins On-Court Authentic Shadow Box card. Kenny Anderson Canvas Collection. Base cards in that. What's up, Y2J? Alan Crabb Rookie Effects. Y2J, you missed out on the Monster Michael Jordan Jack Dempsey dual cut autograph that we pulled out of Jordan Master Collection right around 10 o'clock. You can check it out on Twitter. Have been pulling huge stuff here as of late. We have the Rod Strickland By the Letters autograph. That one's going to be 27 of 75. There's the autograph on the letter patch. Cool card right there. Joe Smith at Rookie FX. And we've got a Kenny Anderson buyback autograph. That one's going to be numbered 5 of 5. You can barely see Kenny's autograph, but there it is just under the Nets jersey. Got the buyback congratulations on the back as well. Cool hit right there, numbered 5 of 5. Y2J got a couple finest boxes coming up here next. Also have that fixed price team case break coming up at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Still have a couple of teams left in that. SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom to sign up for one of those final teams. They are all on sale. Got the Giannis Antetokounmpo Canvas Collection rookie. That kid's going to be a beast. Rookie Effects Solomon Hill. Got a Mason Plumlee autograph. And that one is dinged up a little bit out of the, straight out of the box. So may want to give the folks at Upper Deck there a holler on that. See if you can't get that thing replaced or something for you there. Once we get it to you. Base cards in that one. Dennis Schroeder rookie effects. Canvas Collection David Robinson. A few more packs here in the SP Authentic basketball box. Base cards there. Shane Larkin rookie effects. Mason Plumlee was Mason Plumlee. That'll do it there for the box. We do have the autograph pack. See if we can't get a Skylar Diggins pulled out of here. Jamal Franklin, Nemanja Nedovic, and Livio John Charles are the 3 autographs in the bonus pack. Dave, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get those out to you today.